Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about the Task Manager. And in the Task Manager, you can see some details of the usage of your computer in real time with the different processes and, of course, its performance in the different categories here and so on. But somebody was asking me, is there any other utility that is capable of actually displaying real-time information about the PC's performance itself and with different categories like the CPU and so on. Well, there's something called a resource monitor in Windows, and you can actually bring it up by just typing resource, and you'll see resource monitor pop up in the search in Windows 10 and 11. And this actually is a real-time check of different parts that are the 5 different categories. Network, it will also tell you what are the apps using the different parts. Like for this case, it's networks. If I click disk, this is going to be showing me live information about the hard disk or the solid-state drive usage, so on, and the different apps that might be or requesting reads or writes. Then you have the memory usage. It will tell you what is in the memory usage. And of course, divide the physical memory into what is used, what's hardware reserved, modified in standby, and what's free, which will tell you the total amount of RAM available and so on. And of course, this is live, so as you're doing things with your PC, this changes over time. You have CPU usage. You might notice that there's a lot of CPUs here. Remember that if you have a CPU that has 2 or 4 cores and so on, and with hyper-threading, there's virtual cores, which means that a 4-core might show up as 8-core, 2 dual-core might show up 4 cores, and so on. And it gives you the different usage of the different cores of your PC, what it's actually doing. And finally, and of course, the apps, once again, running and what's not. And of course, there's the overview that gives you all of the details of what is available. And you can actually expand the different options in the overview to see everything that needs to be seen as CPU, disk, network, memory, and so on. So this is kind of an interesting live monitoring of what's happening with your PC, which is different than what is actually showing up in the Task Manager, because here you'll see what app and what application and how it's actually processing or using different parts of your system. So the resource monitor could be a very interesting thing for a lot of people. Available since, I believe, Windows 7, if not, maybe even Windows XP. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.